BWT number 7 national service. Ate Bikon Kezogo, Sarah Adisa, Abi Ihabe Idol Mabisu.
First one, number 18.
Ale Kezogo service, Narajan Kezogo, Sarah Kezogo, BWT Kezogo,
Side over.
Nick Kezogo.
13.
Narajan service. Narajan service. BWT Kezogo, Sarah Narajan Kezogo, Kezogo. Kezogo Kezogo, Yochanas service.
First one,
Ate,
1-3.
first one, go.
Tingura wali notif kono batinga dina takaro atinga latere di bala jowa atere di bala jowa kila notif kono atinga
14.
Narajan service.
kila no nakadu ari NN07C 5707 happy set hello teacher Kari NN07C 5707
BWT service number 9 Sarah Kezogo. Isa Nilukogo. First round BWT versus Narajan sa BWT Nilukogo. Narajan Kezogo, Sarah Yochago, Daniel Ao.
Any more?
The treatment in the continue, point Muyale, Kidney service, point Crown Lazaroko, Sarah Pidalina, point Muyale, Team Anyo Pangunuyale,
First warning. 5.
PWT na. Team Anyo Pangunuyale,
Warning 5.
Morning 5 nakarjan na Makam,
Side over.
Sarah. Atati, ara katang bichiyale.
Hello.
Aching, chaketa yale.
Hello. Men's volleyball, church area versus Limerick court area. Hatakana men's volleyball, Kitty Taro versus youth. Kitty Taro versus youth. Nara Sarunam Yunubag Matesore. Kitty Taro versus youth. Right after this match.
Tengguriku Tangapur, Bikuko. Tengguriku Holilangan na Zun Toyale. Wow! Kopeko. Nipila team na Kopeko. Church area versus court area. Tabago. Church area, net tabago.
Getting point for love.
Court area na service. Point ko. Church area ni Kejogo. The outlet.
Getting point 6 love.
Court area na point ko muyale. Church area na nakatiyale. Ijumo na Sara. Smash Kejogo. Court area na mako.
Side over 1-6. Getting point 12-5. Side over 6.
Service Sara Sako. Court area ni Kejogo. Church area na Kejogo. Church area na Kejogo.